Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yummy burgers. First, select high-quality ground beef, ideally 80% lean, 20% fat, for optimal flavor and juiciness. Divide the meat into 4 equal portions, each weighing about 1/3 of a pound. Gently form these into patties approximately 3/4 of an inch thick and 4 inches in diameter. Remember to create a slight dimple in the center of each patty. This simple trick helps them cook evenly and prevents them from puffing up in the middle. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides. Now let's get cooking. Preheat your grill or a heavy cast iron skillet to a medium-high heat. Place the seasoned patties directly onto the hot surface. For a medium-rare burger, cook for about 3 minutes per side. If you prefer medium, aim for 4 minutes per side, and for well done, cook for 5 minutes per side. Resist the urge to press down on the burgers, as this squeezes out the delicious juices. Flip them only once to develop a fantastic crust and ensure even cooking. With your patties perfectly cooked, it's time to assemble your burger masterpiece. Lightly toast your favorite burger buns, either on the grill or in a pan, for about 1 minute until golden brown. This adds a delightful texture and prevents the bun from getting soggy. If you're adding cheese, place a slice on top of the patty during the last minute of cooking, allowing it to melt beautifully. Then, layer your burger with fresh, crisp lettuce, a thick slice of ripe tomato, and thinly sliced red onion. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and to make your burger truly yours. Drizzle on your favorite condiments, whether it's classic ketchup and mustard, a tangy barbecue sauce, or a creamy special sauce. Don't forget to explore other delicious toppings like crunchy pickles, crispy bacon, caramelized onions, or even a fried egg. Place the top bun on your perfectly assembled burger. Serve your incredible homemade creation immediately and savor every single bite. Enjoy your yummy burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.